Trying to get set up. Hey y'all, happy Tuesday, August the 29th. So, your girl just got off work. It's 6:11. I've been home for a few minutes. I had to stop by the Asian market. Y'all look. Also, let me get a thumbnail. Alright, so from the looks of these, can y'all tell what I am attempting to make tonight? Y'all, when I tell you though, it's gonna be my rendition of it. It's gonna be like what your girl think it ought to be, because I'm loosely following the recipe that I seen. Also, I'm having me a cocktail because today's Tuesday, and why not? It's so good too, y'all. Blueberry margarita, and then I put in some salted watermelon whiskey. Yeah, wait a minute, moonshine. It's like moonshine. Hold on, let me show y'all. Child, y'all, we've been having us a cocktail. I've been having a cocktail rather. So this right here is so good, y'all. This is good by itself. Like on ice, this is good. So I mixed it with this. Y'all know I've had this before. I got this from Aldi. This is the blueberry margarita. It's really good, 13.9%. So be careful. And then, of course, you know I just got this from liquor store. I can't see what the thing is, but y'all know this right here. Put them together over ice. Thank you later. So I already got my shrimp sitting in the water. I'll show y'all in a minute. I already got that sitting in the water. So what I do think I'm gonna go ahead and do is make like some sauce. Again, I'm following, I seen this online, this part about the sauce. I'm not getting ready to measure it how they say, so I'm gonna loosely measure it. I'll put the screenshot, because I just took a screenshot offline. I'll put that up here, one of the places for the little sauce that you can dip your spring roll in. I'll do that. I don't know why I just had a taste for this today. So I got some nori. I've never had nori, but I mean, I love seaweed because I love sushi. Y'all, when I say this wrap, it's finna be so different from a spring wrap, a spring roll. Yeah, a spring roll from what I seen. But like I told y'all, this is gonna be my rendition. This is my version. You do it how you wanna do it. But I do want y'all to see what I do. So anyway, on my lunch break, y'all went to the store. So I got some imitation crab. I said I was gonna put some of that in it. I got a cucumber. I got some cilantro. I love cilantro, y'all. I got a lime, because I'm gonna probably put some lime juice on it. Avocado. And I think that's all. Oh. And I got this. Y'all know they do lettuce and then they do carrots and all that. I wasn't about to do all that. Groceries is high as hell. So this is my crunch. I got this cabbage right here. It's got some carrots in here. You know, if you do spring rolls, you know how they have that purple cabbage. It's got some purple cabbage in here. We're gonna have some green and some white cabbage. We're gonna make it work. Again, this is my rendition. This is how I want to do it. So that's that. So what is this? Eel sauce. So on the thing, it was telling me that I was gonna need some, they said sweet chili. I don't have sweet chili, but I got some chili. I got some hoisin sauce. They said sweet chili. I'm gonna look in my little cupboard over here and see what else I got. If not, we're gonna do this chili sauce right here. They said light soy, but I got soy and peanut butter. And I got peanut butter. So let's see, y'all. Your girl got a whole bunch of stuff over. Oh, I got some sweet and sour sauce. some stuff up in here I've been needing to use up forever. We ain't gonna talk about that. Look, told y'all don't play with her. Because you know I slick think I'm Asian slick. So I'm Blasian, y'all. I'm black and Asian. I'm Blasian. Just get it. But for real. So anyway, I got some Thai ginger. So I'm gonna mix that up. So I can put the, where is it at? I can put this one back. I knew your girl would have it. Don't underestimate me ever. Don't play with it. Because I have all the sauces, y'all. Oh, it's overwhelming. So now I gotta make this stuff, right? Let me see something. I was trying to see what size bowl was I gonna need. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna come back. Let me get my space, my little area situated, because right now it's a whole debacle. It's about to get me overwhelmed. And get the tails off the shrimp. I got cooked, let me just pick one up. I got the already cooked shrimp, so I don't have to do all that. It's got tails on it. I'm just gonna take the tails off and make sure they're clean and get everything set up. And once I get ready to assemble the spring roll, then we will come back. And y'all, again, the spring roll that I seen did not call for no seaweed, but again, this is my rendition. So I want to make it look like sushi, right? Right? Y'all might be on to something. This might be good. So, like I say, let me get this stuff set up and get my stuff washed and everything, and then I'll come back and we'll start putting it together. Alright, I just want to show y'all what I'm doing. Hopefully you can see this. And I've had to put my robe on because I need to just take my work clothes off. So before, okay, so I'm cutting up some strips of, this is the imitation crab, which y'all know, if I'm not mistaken, imitation crab is actually a fish. It's mahi-mahi. So that's what I am doing. I am cutting up the imitation crab, and then I'm gonna cut up the then I'm gonna cut up the cucumber and the avocado. So, but I did just want to come on here and let y'all see exactly what I am doing. And normally I thought this would like kind of shred, that I didn't have to cut it up, but yeah, as you see what it's doing, it ain't shredding like I thought it would normally shred, which is no big deal. So yeah, I'm just cut that in shreds, and I'm just gonna put it on a plate. I'm gonna get everything shredded up. I had to taste it for good measure. It don't taste like crap. I think I'm gonna do another one because I'm gonna do a few more. I'm gonna do these off camera. Y'all don't have to show y'all this, but this is what I am doing. And then, like I say, I'm gonna cut up the cucumber and the avocado. And of course, you already know the cabbage, the bag of cabbage is already cut up. I'm gonna cut this up and then I'm gonna make the sauce right quick. But I'll be back to let you see how I make the sauce. right, y'all, so let's get started with this sauce. But first, let's take a sip. Because it's everything. I've already rolled out my, I probably should put it in the microwave for like 30 seconds. Let me do that. So I did it more for like 15, just to kind of soften it up a little bit, because I am gonna squeeze it on the shrimp. I can't even freaking think. Let's go ahead and do that real quick, because that's why I haven't cut the avocado yet either, because I don't want it to start turning brown on me so fast. But I'm gonna go ahead and just squirt a little lime juice on the shrimp, just for good measure. And then I'll put this lime down the garbage disposal, so that can smell good once I stir it up. And once I clean my cilantro, this one fell. And if you know anything, you know I love cilantro. Now, I didn't see that many recipes that had cilantro in their spring roll. I love cilantro. I tried to grow it this summer, and I guess it was too hot outside. I might grow it this fall inside. I don't know, but I love cilantro. So that's that on that. And just let these shrimp soak in the in this lime juice a little bit. And let's get started on this sauce. So again, y'all, I don't remember the measurements. I'm going off of what I saw. I can't even remember. So I'm just gonna do what I think. So I got about this much of crunchy peanut butter. And I'm gonna put that in there. Right? I don't want too much, because I don't know. What if it's good though? I'm about to say I ain't making that much. Then it might be good, and then I'm gonna wish I had more. But let's just see. I think it said a third of soy, but I don't know. We'll see. We'll just do that right there. I don't think that was a third. I forgot how much soy is in. I think a third as well. But y'all, it's supposed to be storming. It ain't doing nothing. But I think the storm is actually supposed to come tomorrow. Oh, that was a lot of hoisin. I need to, I guess, bring y'all down so y'all can see what I'm doing instead of looking at me, huh? Hoisin, soy, and hoisin, soy, peanut peanut butter. And then this is the Tiger sweet chili sauce. Measure with your heart, y'all. Can y'all see me? Measure it with your heart. Y'all, and I'm gonna let you know. I'm gonna be honest with you. If it's good, if it's however, whatever, I'm gonna let y'all know. And it did say you can use creamy or crunchy peanut butter. I just picked the first one up. It didn't matter to me. But as I make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, I do like crunchy peanut butter, just to let y'all know. I think I put It's good. Shut your goddamn mouth. Y'all, this is good. I mean, that's good. Like, for real, I don't need to add anything. It's got a little kick. I think that's from this. Got me a little in my throat, y'all. What did it say? Sweet and tangy with peppers and cane sugar. I got this from Lidl. I had this a while, so it was time that I open it anyway. But anyway, we ain't gonna get in that. But anyway, y'all, this is good. Y'all, this is good. I'm doing the back of my spoon, but even if I would, like Auntie Tab said, this is my business. Because I'm the one eating this. This is my kitchen. Y'all, this good. I ain't gonna hold you. This is good. There's a little peanut. It's good, y'all. Oh my God, this is so good. I'm gonna have my cocktail cut. And sweet chili peppers is in my throat. Focus, Tiffany. So, all that's done. Shrimp over there ready. Baby, this right here ready. I'm about to put this in the refrigerator. No, I ain't gonna put it in the refrigerator because I don't want it to get stiff because it's thick. So I don't know. You know, you get it to your consistency how you want it, y'all. I don't know. It's thick. So maybe I could have done less peanut butter. But again, I was measuring with my heart and my eyes. I'm not getting ready to add anything to it because to me, it don't need anything. Let me see. I'm just gonna add a swig of soy. You don't want to do too much soy now because you know soy is a lot of sodium now. I mean, I put a dash, y'all, which is pretty much what I did the first time. But I can taste the peanut butter, the hoisin, the chili pepper, chili sauce, sweet chili sauce. Y'all, this is good. Y'all, this is gonna be good like when I start plant-based. I shouldn't say plant-based because when I start eating healthier and different, this is gonna be good when I start making these wraps and different things of that nature. Y'all, this is good. I might add just a little bit more sweet chili sauce because that's my business. Oh, y'all. And I said it didn't need nothing else. It really did. I'm just standing it out. Oh, y'all need to turn my little kitchen fan on because maybe I'm hot. Man, I got all these clothes on. Stop playing with me. Baby. Stop playing with me because you can't tell me nothing. Let me put these little sauces and seasonings and things up. Hold on. I think a sweet chili had got in my throat. But let me put these sauces up. And then when I come back, y'all, I think we're gonna start with these wraps. I'm a little scared because I have never done a spring roll. I've never done this before. So y'all, we in this together. So I'm gonna put this little stuff up right here. And then I'll be back. All right, y'all. And y'all, the Asian market, that might be my newest store. I like going into different stores. These were only $3.19. I should have took pictures because they had like different kinds, and I was wondering like, well, what's the difference? You know, I don't know. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna take 4 out for right now, right? Oh, y'all. And I forgot. Okay. I seen, I almost want to put some salt on them, but I ain't gonna do it, y'all. From what I seen on the thing with the shrimp, the people cut them in half. See what I'm saying? Of course, I would lay this down and do this, but I'm just showing y'all. They cut the shrimp in half. And I can see that. That stretch them too. Stretches it too. So, I'm about to cut these shrimp in half. I'm just going to do a few for right now, so at least y'all can see. Maybe no, I'm not attempting. I am getting ready to put this spring roll together. Alright, that's enough to at least start us off. So let me go ahead and cut the avocado. And I got one that was good. It's ready to. Let's put that half right there. Slice him up. Just sit here. Put that on my little paper over here, my little plate. Oh my goodness. I hope y'all had a good day today. I did. I'm so ready to go to my tiny cabin. I can't even stand it. I'm going in October. And I chose October because I wanted to go when it's cooler. Because it's so hot right now. So that's why I chose October. Alright. Let me pull y'all down so y'all can see again. So this is a bowl. This is actually a salad spinner, but what else? Oh, I just broke it. So this lets me know that this bowl ain't big enough. Hold on. I'm gonna throw him in the trash. Just we don't want no broke thing. We're gonna get the big guy. And that's just a piece of cabbage. Okay. So, maybe I'm gonna put some more water. Maybe I should have done a flat bowl or something. I don't know, y'all. Let me see something. Oh, you know what? Y'all, can y'all see? Okay, hold on. I just got a plate. We're gonna put some water in this plate. I'm just messing up dishes. So let's do that. Let's put water in the plate. So, we got the water in the plates. Let's do that. Soak the rice paper. Hoping that y'all can see this because you know it might be kind of at a bad angle. That soak for just a second. Let's take a sip of our cocktail. Uh-oh. That's falling down. We don't want that. Okay. So I think it done soaked enough. Alright. Or has it? I don't know. What y'all think? I don't know how long it's supposed to soak. Let's just take it out. All right. Let's put it on the paper. Yeah, it's soaked good enough, y'all. So y'all can see it, I think. Hopefully, yeah. So we got it on the paper. Oh heck. Y'all, and I'm just trying to go off memory. So what do we put? Let's put some what is this? I probably didn't do them thin enough. Some cucumbers down. Some imitation crab. Y'all, let me get my nori. Oh, I'm hoping the seaweed too. Okay. So this one I'm gonna try with the nori, y'all. This one I'm gonna do with the nori. Imitation crab, and then we're gonna put some avocado. All right, and then I'm gonna sprinkle a little nori on here. Let's see. Can y'all see what I'm doing? Again, y'all. Do what you want to do at your, how you want to make yours. Let's see. What? Why? Oh, hold on. So, okay, yeah, y'all can see this. So let me try rolling. They said roll one. Roll. Okay, y'all, then I'm going to put a shrimp. Or do I do it up? I don't know. Let's do it. Yeah, let's do it like that. Like that. Let's do it like that. Then we're going to roll it over. Roll it over. Look at her, y'all. Don't play with me. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. Period. Ta-da! I made a whole roll. Now, all right. Uh-oh, y'all. Okay. Now, let's taste it. Let's put some of the sauce we made. Uh-oh, I'm wasting it. Let's put some of the sauce on here. I'm scared, y'all. Okay. I like the texture of that paper because maybe I should let it sit up and dry because I'm funny with texture. So that's throwing me. Maybe I need to let it sit up and dry. But just good. It's real good. I need to let it sit up and dry because I do not like the texture of this roll in my mouth. It's gummy, and I don't like that. But it's just good. But let's let her dry. Let's sit her up. I'm gonna get another plate and I'm gonna sit her on that, and then we'll make another one. And I'm gonna do this one with the seaweed paper. So I'll be back in a minute, y'all. Okay, y'all, and why I forgot, I don't think I put my my doggone cabbage on there for the crunch, but I do think I gotta let that sit up and dry a little bit, because the texture of that spring roll paper, I don't like that. So what I'm doing now is I'm got the rice paper again, soaking it. Soaking that. Let me get this camera so y'all can see what I'm doing again. And maybe I had let it sit in there too long. That could be my fault too. Alright. So, we're getting some cucumber. I definitely need to cut this one, I think. Okay, we got some cucumber. Gonna put some more that avocado. Excuse me, y'all. Some cabbage, because I think I forgot to put that. Dang on it, I forgot to put the seaweed. I want to do seaweed on this one. Dang it, I forgot. So let's put some more nori on this one. Alright, and we're gonna roll it. So you roll it over, pull your sides in, like so, as Auntie say. Wait, I don't really want to pull my side in just yet, for real. I want to put this down. What? They weren't dry. I didn't say they was dry, but they don't smell no kind of way. I mean, they might dry, I don't know, but from what, I don't know. Anyway, y'all, then you start rolling. Get your sides. Well, a little bit, yeah. Tuck that shrimp under there. Do that like that. Fold that over. Now, when I go to the Asian market, they might not understand, but I'm going to ask them, what's the best paper? Because, honey, I don't want that to taste gummy. Because that we can't have. So, I'm going to do one more. Let me get my seaweed out. Itching to try this. Yeah. Now let's have a cocktail. Let's have a sip. There we go. Maybe it's me letting it sit too long. Oh, see, I almost forgot again. Seaweed and that. I'm gonna go ahead and put my shrimp now. How about that? So y'all, sorry if this video is gonna be long, but it is what it is. We're trying something today. Put my cabbages and celery. Put that down. Let's put some crab down. Put some avocado. We're not gonna do some nori. We're not gonna do nori since we have the seaweed. And let's begin to roll. Now this might be a little different because the seaweed is bigger than the actual paper, but we're gonna still try our best to wrap it. Alright. Y'all feel like this one gonna be a hit. I want to believe that. Let's sit that one right there. I'm gonna make one more, but y'all don't have to watch me. But we're gonna come back, and I'm gonna try to see the seaweed one with y'all to see how it tastes. Okay, so I made 4 wraps. They're not the prettiest, y'all, but This was my first time, and I did my best. So we already tasted the first one, and I think it might be me just letting them sit in the water too long. Maybe you shouldn't let them sit in the water too long. I don't know. This one is the one with the yeah, this one is the one with the cabbages and herb or whatever. So let's try that one. So let's try that one. That's pretty good, y'all. Again, it's just the texture of the paper that's throwing me out. This one with seaweed. This one with seaweed, y'all. Mmm. 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 Y'all, this one might be it. This one might be it. Along with the seaweed, it's really good. And I did not let it sit on the paper that long. So, I would say, try out a spring roll for yourself. It's really easy. It's really, really easy. I didn't realize it was this easy. But y'all, it's really easy. I'm gonna get this stuff cleaned up. As I munch down on this. This is good. This was my dinner tonight. I'm really liking the seaweed one. But anyway, thank y'all so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, and should you like the essence of this video, comment that down below. Also give this video a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, y'all.